Boston, Providence, Rhode Island. You could be wandering around looking for the last resting place even of Edgar Allan Poe. Or some strange poet, as I was one day, wandering around looking for the grave of William Wordsworth. Because it was in England, it was pissing it down with rain. And I finally found the grave, but standing in the corner is a tall man dressed in black with coal red eyes, 2 horns, and a tail. I thought, no, it's not Jesus. Maybe it was the Pope. No, it can't be that bad. It's the devil. Just your plain, ordinary, old devil. And he says to me, what the fuck are you doing here, wandering around a graveyard in the middle of the night when there is rain on the grave? With a trembling hand. Did you come to gamble, or did you come to pray? What's the meaning of your business here on a starry day? The raindrops spattered on the tomb from gray and leaden sky. Deny me once, deny me twice, don't look in my eyes. He denied the truth that he had come to steal, to kneel before the poet, not the altar or the priest. Well, he washed himself in misery before he came to pray. He hoped his false penitence some sympathy would sway. My shadow, your shade. Stand up, face the mirror. It's the image that you crave. But I'll be here when you're long gone. I'll see you in that grave.